All right, so all these different groups met. Programmers talked about features. Level designers talked about their levels. We need to get some top downs out of you guys next. Art talked about some stuff. Let's go over the things that you guys talked about. Level design, why don't you, and so each of the other departments knows what y'all talked about. Level design, why don't you start? What did you guys talk about? Did you come up with any other ideas? Any interesting things come from y'all's discussion?
So we mostly decided on some of the more fundamental core aspects of how the level design is going to be structured. So we decided that rather than having like set like level 1, level 2, we were going to space it out as floors. And so we're either going to be going up a tower or going to be going further down into like a dungeon. And so each floor is going to be a different kind of encounter or a harder encounter. And so while there's going to be enemies dispersed throughout each floor is going to have like a main focus. So maybe one floor is a horde encounter and you have to fight a horde of weaker enemies. And then another floor is like a boss or skill-based fighting encounter. And then interspersed with that to break up the flow, we were talking about having things like maybe a chase sequence. And then at the beginning of the game having a chase sequence, and then later in the game having a boss fight with the monster that originally chased you in the beginning, and then creating something like a labyrinth level to just kind of break up the pacing of the game so it doesn't become monotonous. And so next time we were hoping to figure out what encounters we're going to go on which floors.
Also maybe like a swinging encounter, or like you have to get over to get an obstacle, like maybe it's vines, maybe it's the whip, using the whip in some way. It'd be cool to have like some kind of movement option in the game, I think.
Okay.
That'd be really cool. Other than the roll.
Right. Everybody real quick, jump on your computer real quick. Go into Trello and copy this link here in the GitHub. It's called github.com Project Sharkfin. Just right click on that. Copy link address. So in Trello, click on GitHub and copy this link here under the description. Then I want you to make a new folder on your D drive and call it Project Sharkfin, just like this. No spaces, capital P, capital S. And you're going to right click on Project Sharkfin, and there's an option when you right click called SVN Checkout. Click that, and it will look like this, and your link should pop right into here. And when you're finished, go ahead and click OK. This is going to download the assets from the server. Not all of you guys are going to be able to download all at one time. Some people will get something that says an error, and the error is too many hits on the server or something. So if that's the case, just chill out and let the people who got there first download the rest of the assets. I'll go over that again. So on Trello, click the GitHub link, copy this link right here, Project Sharkfin, right click, copy link address. On the D drive, make a folder called Project Sharkfin. Right click on it and do SVN checkout. This thing should pop up. The link should automatically paste in under your repository. Click OK to continue. Everybody got that?
Yeah.
Again, some of you guys will have an error that says too many server requests. That's because we have 20 people in this room trying to hit the server at one time. Okay, some people's will go through, some people's won't. If you get that error, just wait. Don't do it again. Who's downloading right now? Raise your hands.
She got the error.
All right, if you got one person downloading. All right, if you got the error, just chill. You try again here in 5 minutes. Are you gonna help these guys? Huh? Do you want? I mean, what class is that?
That's
I mean,
Swift
if you
and
can just,
Objective
I mean,
C.
like, just pop in from time to time and check on them, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Well, I was gonna say I need you to add me to the repository for the other one.
Okay, I'll do that in just a second. So you cool with that?
Yeah.
Just helping these guys. Hey, you guys, this is Vince. He's like an experienced guy. He's been on some projects here at Richland. He's a blueprinting guy and a programmer, so he's gonna be helping you guys out.
But I will help you out.
He's just right across the hall, and he's always available to help you guys. So if you have any like advanced questions or whatever, like he can like help you. And he's gonna be popping in y'all's class from time to time and helping you guys.
That's great. Can we get your
Oh,
Discord?
Tim, what's up?
Can we get your Discord real quick?
Yeah, my Discord name is FAR, F-A-R, and my number is 6116.
All right.
Well, have me add me just to the channel.
What?
Add me to the Discord channel. Can I get mod so I can like?
I'll add you. Yeah, in just a second. We're going over stuff. All right, so that's cool. Anything else from level design that we talked about, you guys? Anything else y'all want to cover other than that y'all just talked about, or was that about it? Okay.
We want a level where you're going down the hall and then something big comes on the corner. Maybe it's a monster, maybe it's something that you have to run from. I don't know if this is what you wanted from here, ideas, but like, yeah, something you have to run from, like maybe a creature or a rock or pulling.
Okay. All right. Art. You guys talked a lot about a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What did you talk about?
So
Tell me stuff.
We talked about the designs for the mage and like our bosses, and then our character,
We also look for
weapons.
And since we were trying to take this into a gritty as well as a comedic tone, we took multiple models for the main characters. First being like a really dark, gritty, fully armored, really cool, edgy looking guy. And like after he gets defeated on that first, and he becomes like, a guy in his underwear, and he finds like cardboard armor, and then he uses that to defend himself
So, all right. So this guy gets hammered
in the beginning.
in the beginning, right?
And he
And
loses
so
his armor.
he kind of starts with nothing. He's got to build
Yeah.
himself up,
Yeah.
or herself up, as they go through, right? Another cool thing about that I want to show you guys is there's a program. It's called Adobe Fuse. Does anybody know what this is? It's a free program that you guys.
Today I'm introducing.
Ay. They usually have a video, but basically it's you can download this just on these computers. We have Adobe Creative Cloud. If you log in, you can, this little login thing, use your login, you can log in and download it. And it's this program here, and it's a character creator, okay? And basically,
Today I'm introducing.
God. Somebody write this down and remember it, one of the character people, because you will forget it, I promise. But as you can see here, it's a character creator. This pipes right into Mixamo. There's a button that literally says Save to Mixamo. So you guys can create a bunch of characters in this thing. It's highly customizable, and this can help you create custom characters. You can't do a whole lot of monsters or whatever, but like this is like, I mean, it's free, Adobe, and it goes right into Mixamo, so you can create characters and then put animations on them, get it right into Unreal. It's real cool.
Nice.
Nice. So one of the character people, take a note of that. Y'all could crank some characters out with this thing. All right. So mainly what I heard
We
is.
also have a annoying sidekick character that acts like the narrator and a tutorial person. So he's like kind of invisible almost.
Okay.
It's like maybe like we haven't decided yet. I suggest the idea of a.
Well, it could be just like you could have something that just pops up that just kind of like on the screen, like a little head or something that says some text, like, "Hey, you need to go over here and do
so
the
we
whatever."
also want to make this character kind of cynical and make fun of the main character. oh look at yourself, look at you got yourself in jail, like kind of like that.
All right. Anything else from the art team? All right, programmers. Programmers. Other than y'all just waiting on level designers and artists to come up with stuff, when you guys were talking, did you come up with any ideas or anything like that? Anything you guys talk about? Thoughts?
We were going over what we would have to do to program a character, but also thoughts on maybe having the programmer do puzzles, having to interact with stuff.
Okay.
Maybe a super function along with the offense and defense.
Okay.
How bad is gonna be like
What?
That's the face he gave us. Not the first. But, some kind of like super move, as in like if he has a range function that's more of a magic, that he'd be able to basically just do a bigger version of that.
You guys that were having the errors on the project, if you just go back to the D drive and right click on Project Shark Fin and do an SVN update. It's called SVN update. It'll try the server again.
No, you're fine.
Okay, it's called SVN update. Just right click again. Alright guys, for next time, level designers, it'd be really great if y'all could just do like some quick top downs of your levels, like talking about some of the things that you guys came up with. Y'all came up with a lot of cool stuff. Just each one of you guys just want to scribble something down on paper that just is some ideas. When you guys come into class next time, y'all can talk about the ideas that you came up with and share them, and maybe somebody came up with something cool and you're like, oh yeah, and it, because eventually you guys are going to do top downs drawings of your levels, and then we're going to put them in Unreal. Okay?
Will,
What?
will this document be on?
Yes, this document, I just put this document on your Trello under game design document. Here's the link. Okay? Programmers, look at this game design document, there's a bunch of features in there. If you want to start working on stuff at home that's cool, we can copy and paste that stuff into the project. Remember to use the version of Unreal that we have in here. It doesn't really matter. Artists, we need you guys to start finding character models, look at character models, maybe make them in Fuse, save them, bring copies to class, and we need you guys to do screens too. We're going to need some screens from you guys, like main menu, pause menu, death screen, HUD.
Dead. Exclamation point.
Okay, we need you guys to like define the 2D art style. So like we're gonna need a game name, a logo, like all these things.
Oh, we have to come up with a game name?
Yeah, you gotta come up with a game name.
Well, no, I meant like that's.
I mean, duh.
Unknown.
That way, like it's like a dark, gritty fun of some kind. That way, it makes it easy.
All right, you guys.
That's not good comedy.
That's a wrap for today. Anybody have any further questions?
What was the YouTube thing you told me to do again? Blueprint.
I'll show you in just a second.